And Colin? Hi, and what's your name? Marie, and what's your name?
Ann.
Marie and Ann, why don't you come down here with me? Marie and Ann, how you doing? Come right over here. Come right over to the side right there. Here's your microphone. Marie, here's your microphone. Go over to the side there, right in front of the telephone. Yeah, that's the spot. And I want you to pretend that you're going to do sound effects for Ryan and Colin.
Oh.
Yeah. And during their scene, they'll prompt you, by what they say and giving you a look and stuff. Then you do the sound effects for them. Be as creative as you'd like. And the scene is you're two firemen who are sleeping in the station house when the alarm sounds. Take it away.
Oh, thought I heard an alarm. Was that the alarm? It's just a sick bird.
I thought I heard one.
Oh, there's a bee in the alarm.
What?
There it goes.
Oh, man, well, we gotta get going.
Wait, you better find out where it is. Let me get on the phone. What's with all the bees?
Yeah. Hey,
4th and Main.
4th and Main. We better get our stuff on.
Yours all wet?
Yeah. Better close the window. There's a breeze coming through. All right, ready to go down the pole?
Yep.
I'm stuck.
We really gotta wax these things.
Let's wax them down. Ready?
That new Southern wax really does the job.
Sure does. Not only did we have fun, the poles did too.
Yes.
All right. Come here, Sparky. Come here, Spark.
We need a bigger dog.
Take your boy. All right.
Damn duck.
Is your door working,
Bing.
Can't get it to seem to lock.
Bing.
The Japanese imports. All right. Hey, wait a minute. Let me start up the engine. It's dead.
Wow.
There, that should start it.
Ready?
Yep.
It's going to take us hours to get there with this tiny engine. Hang on. Hit the siren. Okay, here we go. Wait, someone's screaming for help. It's an old Indian woman.
I can't believe.
Jump! 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 Here she comes.
Here she comes. Oh, we should have put something in there.
Yeah.